What is going on, you guys? We are back here at our local flea market. It is one of the last weekends before Christmas, and there looks to be a good amount of vendors out here today. So let's see if we can get out here and make some money. If you guys haven't seen our channel before, usually we like to come out here and wear our GoPros and just try to do some wheeling and dealing, looking for things that we can buy kind of cheap out here because of the limited audience, and then take those items and sell them online on places like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari to try to make a profit. Usually we find a lot of shoes and golf clubs, but we're not really limiting ourselves to what we can flip. You know, that's just what we typically find, but we'll buy anything we can make a buck on. Can we make a buck on this Yamaha soundboard?
No, we are not buying that.
That's a little too big. Polo boots are cool.
I'm gonna get my truck on my pull up, man.
What you asking on the boots?
10.
Yeah, I'll do 10 on those. I don't need a bag, it's okay. There you go, sir. Appreciate y'all.
These are cool.
They're really cool. Cuánto cuesta, right? Yeah.
25.
25.
25.
That's not bad. What about those Air Force Ones back there?
This is 35.
35?
25.
Yeah, these are good. A lot of people like these to paint.
Yeah.
Customize.
Yeah, 35.
Let's see. Make a little bundle deal with them. What can you do for all four of these? Quattro.
¿Cuánto?
Okay.
70, 105. Have a little good price.
So you said 35, 35, 35. What about 30 each? That's 120.
No, man.
No? What about 130?
Yes, fine.
130? Okay. 130. All right. I gotta go find me a esposa. So we paid $130 for those 4 pairs of shoes, and that doesn't sound like a great deal. A couple things went wrong. I forgot that the pair of Converse, he said they were only $25. When I was tallying up things at the end for the bundle deal, I counted those as $35. So it made me think I was getting a better deal, but in reality, we basically just paid full price for all the shoes that we got. But it's okay because we should make most of our money back just on this one pair of Jordans. There's a couple sold comps for over $100 for this one. There's one that sold in pre-owned condition and one size different for this. It's kids 6.5. This is a kids 5.5. And that one sold for $122 plus shipping. So we should be able to make, again, most of our money back just with this one, and then the 2 pairs of Air Force Ones and the Converse should be straight profit. Esposa bonita. Tengo zapatos para ti. That's definitely fake. Jordan does not have 4 fingers.
You got a YouTube channel or what?
Yeah, it's called Hairytornado. Look it up. Like and subscribe.
What kind of stuff you do?
I don't know how, what was that?
What kind of stuff you do there?
This? Flea markets, garage sales. Yeah.
Okay,
Check it out. You'll be on the next video. I see a Nike.
Got a set of some Nike Juniors, brand new, man.
Nike Juniors. Look at that. You got a lot of golf stuff today.
Yeah, man. Brought up for the holiday.
Oh my gosh. You must have knew we were going to be out here.
I know, right?
Full junior set. So we got a 3-wood, a putter, a pitching wedge, and a 7-iron. So I guess that would be a whole set. What does that set in the bag?
The Cleveland Hot Boys. I'll bring it down for you.
Okay.
Yeah, anything up in the bag up there, they're just 5 each.
5 each.
I played yesterday at out there in Lexington. It's at Golden Hill or something.
Golden Hills, yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
My first time over there.
They're so busy over there, though.
Yeah. And they got the little bag for those to go into.
Okay,
Nike
cool.
ones.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'll definitely get this one.
I'm doing 40 on those.
40 on this set. What are you asking for the Clevelands?
That's gonna be a high dollar one. They're
Yeah.
going for 300, so I'm probably just gonna ask like 150, half of what they go online. And I'll throw the bag in for free if you want it. They got one I never even saw before. They got the dual wedge with it. Starts with the 4 through the pitching wedge and dual wedge.
Oh yeah. Did you look at this Nike set online?
No sold comps are brand new.
Okay.
They got like the driver by itself was going for like $21.
They are brand new, so they got the
like
plastics on there.
forever.
Yeah. Let me make sure I brought enough money with me today. I didn't know you're gonna have the whole inventory out here. So these are 5 each?
Yeah, and I always hook you up, do a better deal.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, for you, if you see anything in there you like, just do like 3 each or 2 for $5. How about that?
Okay.
That'd be better for you.
All right, I'll definitely get this Cleveland wedge, top flight putter. These top flight tour, pretty good. All right, I'll definitely go ahead and get these.
150 for that.
150. You said 40 on this?
Yeah.
It's 90.
190.
Just keep it at 190, buddy. Don't go over.
190 for everything?
Yeah, good.
All right, we're just gonna add these to the bag then. So I gotta go get some cash. This golf club buy was a fantastic deal. We bought stuff from our friend Zoe at the flea market pretty much every time we go to the flea market. He always has really good items. And we got the set of Cleveland high bore hybrid irons. We should be able to get about 300 bucks plus shipping for those. I'll put some comps on the screen here. We got the Cleveland bag that he threw in for free. I think that should easily sell for about $60 to $70 plus shipping. We got the kids Nike Junior clubs, a set of 4. It's like a 3-wood, a 7-iron, a pitching wedge, and a putter or something like that. We should be able to get about $80 to $100 for that set. I know it sounds expensive, but Nike does not make golf clubs anymore, and that set is brand new. It still has the plastic wrap on them, so I think that price is pretty doable. We also picked up 4 individual clubs, 2 top flight irons, a Cleveland wedge, and a top flight putter. We should be able to get about 15 to 20 bucks plus shipping for each of those clubs. So once we add all that up, that we should be looking at about $500 plus shipping on that $190 investment. So shout out Zoe, shout out the flea market, shout out friggin' golf clubs. There's plenty of money to be made out there, folks. I'll get all that.
Yeah.
Cool. Thanks, man.
You want, buddy?
Is this your table, sir?
Yes, sir.
How much you asking for those?
20.
20 bucks. Let's see what size they are. Men's 12. They feel pretty nice. 18 bucks. Let's see. Those look good. What about these Merrills right here?
15.
Should you do 30 if I got both of them? That's a tough deal. Hey, all you can say is no. How about 32?
Okay.
All right. 32. Yeah, let's go. Thank you, sir.
All right, appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Jordan in the what's the name right there?
Jordan and the
That's
one pair of
Jordan,
Nikes.
And that's LeBron right next
Oh yeah,
to it.
LeBron.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
those look pretty good.
Brand new Jordan.
Light plate. Let's see if these are one we are after. What are you asking for these?
30. Got to get 30 for those.
Got to get 30.
Yes, sir.
It's just crazy. There's one that sold for 130, and then there's 2 that sold for like 40 and 30. I'll take a chance on these for 30 bucks.
All right.
There we go. We don't need it.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Appreciate it, sir.
Yes, sir. Oh yeah. I'll carry it. Drop some shoes off here. It's so funny. I told you guys that I was like, we normally buy like a lot of shoes and golf clubs, and of course that's the only thing we found today. I promise we buy other things. That's just the most plentiful thing out here that we find. I don't want to keep Zoe waiting for so long, like holding our stuff. So I think we should go to the ATM, get cash, go pay for the golf clubs, bring the golf clubs back to the car, and then well, maybe we'll hit the 3rd row.
Let's hit the
Zoe,
3rd row.
Zoe will be all right.
Yeah, he will. He's got a lot of stuff today, so you can tell he's probably gonna be out here for a while.
He brought all that stuff, so he's planning on.
He's not dashing anytime soon.
No. I want to get one of these and embroider our Support Your Friends logo on the forehead. I just think that would be hilarious. How much? 5? I'll give you $5 for it. I think it would be hilarious.
You need bucks?
No, we got it right here. Thank you. Look at this.
That's one right here. Yeah.
This Office Pez.
Oh, that's cool.
That's cool.
You like The Office?
I love The Office. You're not going to meet anybody that loves The Office
Really?
more.
Well, that thing is $15 and it's a collector's item.
$15 in the store or $15 at your booth?
It's actually $20 in the store. 20-something is about 24.
I tell you what. I'll give you 15 for it.
Okay,
I got a whole wall full of Office
I knew
stuff.
I was going to find one
That's
Office
right.
person.
We bought from you in the past.
Okay, you got it. Let me find it.
We got it right here. We got it
Okay,
right here.
very good. Okay,
Thank you so much.
You. No, I'm glad to see you have it.
That's right. Hey, puppies. We got some T-shirts here. Some Comfort Colors 3XL long sleeve. He said they're $3 a piece, so we're gonna get a ton of these.
Here's a 4X too.
Oh yeah. As long as they don't have pockets, I'll get all of them.
Really?
Yeah. Long sleeve blank Comfort Colors for $3.
I'm messing it up.
It's okay, we're gonna buy a lot of them.
Hello, guys.
Hey, how are you?
Watch y'all all the time on the YouTube.
I appreciate that.
Video on the flea market.
Yeah.
Which one? We got about 40 of them.
Good to see y'all.
Oh, sorry.
Got 15.
15.
Did you look at that group?
I didn't, no. Oh yeah, that's extra large, no pocket. Medium, no pocket.
I got 24.
24. I better get one more so it'll be an even.
One more will be 75.
Have that one. 75 bucks for 25 blank long sleeve comfort colors. That's a deal and a half. That should be 75. Count it for me. My math isn't great since high school.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you.
Guys.
Absolutely.
Now, I know that this t-shirt buy did not seem like the most exciting thing in the world for you guys, but let me quickly explain why this is probably one of the best things we have ever found at our flea market. Recently, we've been trying to find some blank shirts, whether they be short sleeve, long sleeve, sweatshirts, hoodies, that we could embroider our Support Your Friends logo onto and sell them as unique, one-of-a-kind handmade merch on our website or over on our Instagram page. And finding blank items is not that hard, but finding blank Comfort Colors t-shirts and long sleeve shirts is pretty difficult. Comfort Colors are a super high quality, nice brand of shirts. They're very thick, they're very soft, they're very popular with like sororities and fraternities, but usually when you find them in the thrift store, they have something on them already. People don't donate blank Comfort Colors. That's like the most comfortable shirt in the world. If you look on Amazon, one singular 2XL Comfort Colors heavyweight t-shirt is selling for $19.90, and we just picked up 25 of those bad boys for $75. I checked them all out. I was looking for any loose stitching or stains or holes or anything, and they all look to be perfectly fine. So we basically just bought between $450 and $500 worth of blank shirts for 75 bucks. So this is a huge, huge win.
Let me see. Yeah. Who's that? Cavaliers? How much are your hats, ma'am? Not over $3. I like that. I like the sound of that.
Let's see what you get.
So we got these two so far.
$1 for that because maybe $2.
$1 and $2.
I got a lot of hats. I just
Yeah. What do you want for that one?
3,
3, 4, 5,
$6.
$6. All right. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. We got one right here. Yep. You too. I think we've been through the whole market of everything we're interested in, at least. Now we're going to head to the ATM, get that cash to give Zoe for all of his golf clubs.
That's right. Ready?
Ready.
I put a head cover on that driver head so that it gets scratched up.
Cool.
Since you sell online, you have better shot at this than me. These are going for about 100, man. You can have.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow, are you sure?
I don't sell sets online.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to get into sell individual clubs.
Yeah.
But yeah, those you probably get $100 for those online.
Yeah, Lady Cobras.
Yeah.
For
Yep,
sure.
This don't have a pitching wedge, but you got everything else.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'll take it, man.
Yeah, man. That way somebody
I'll
make
give
the
you
money off
200 for
of me.
everything. 90, 91, 92. 193.
Oh, you just 190, buddy?
Just take 193. I'll give you some extra next time. I owe you, man. You always give us a good deals.
We're in the same business, so I know how it goes. Appreciate you. Yeah.
All right, can you carry those since they're...
I can carry the little bag too, if you want. That one.
Oh, this one. Okay, cool.
I'll see you before Christmas, man. Happy holidays.
You too.
Absolutely, you
Y'all
too.
traveling out of town or staying local?
Staying here.
Stay here.
That's
Yeah.
it. All right, guys.
So much.
Have a great
Thank
day.
you.
Oh, let me take a look. What are you asking for? I don't think you think we have any more money. You just
No, we
spent all the
don't.
money on all this other stuff. Yeah, I'm fresh out of money today.
Just take it with you.
No, I don't take it from you.
No, I want you to. I didn't want to take it back with
You gonna be back out here next weekend?
you. Yeah, I think so. You
All right.
always
I've
see
seen you multiple times. How about $20?
I can't. It's great.
Oh, you want to take $20 for it?
No, sir, I don't want to take it back home.
I'll give you some money next time we see you.
Yeah.
Okay. You're out here all the time. I remember your sign. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. You too.
We are loaded down.
I I was a little confused by this last lady. We were walking by her booth and she invited us to come look at her golf clubs that she had for sale. I guess she saw that we were buying all these other golf clubs. I walked over and she had a set of Ram golf clubs that had like paint splotches all over them. Ram is already not a great brand of golf club, and you add like being in bad condition, there's just not that much money there. She wanted $45 for the set. And honestly, if I get like 50 or 60 bucks for this set, I'd be pretty lucky. So there's not a lot of money to be made there. I offered her 20 just to see if she would take that, and she was like, no, I can't do that at all. But then after I offered her 20, I realized that we were out of money anyway. I didn't even have $20 to give her. So I went to go walk away, and she's like, oh, I don't want to take them home, just take them. I'm like, I don't want to take your clubs for free. I was like, can I give you $20 next time we come to the flea market? And she was like, no, I can't do that. I can't do that, just take them. I'm like, so you don't want 20, but you do want me to take them for free, but you can't do, like, I was so confused. So next time we see the lady at the flea market, I'm definitely going to give her at least $20. Again, there's not a ton of money to be made on this. She was nice, and I wanted to help her not have to take all this stuff back home, I guess. That's probably why she ended up letting us have them for free. But overall, it was a great day at our local flea market. And I gotta give one more shout out to our friend Zoe for throwing in that set of Lady Cobra golfing irons totally for free with the other clubs we were buying. And that just goes to show how important it is to establish professional relationships with those people in your life that can be mutually beneficial when it comes to business. Zoe comes out to the flea market wanting to sell his stuff, and I'm pretty sure we buy more stuff from Zoe than anybody else. Every time we see him and his mom out there, we're buying something from them. Not just to support them, although I do like supporting people, but because they have good quality items at usually pretty competitive prices. So whatever price Zoe puts out there, that's what I pay. And he knows that, he knows what I sell, he knows how we do business. So I think that, like, the last 3 to 5 months of us supporting him, paying full price, and just being pleasant people to deal with has led to this moment today where he gives us a set of golf clubs for free that we could probably sell for 80 to 100 bucks. And that doesn't happen with a flea market vendor that you have not established a professional relationship with. And that is the point of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've enjoyed it at all, take a couple seconds and hit that like button for us down below. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for us down below as well. Thank you guys again for watching. You're the best, and we'll catch you on the next one.